In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change password in Honkai Star Rail account safely. We'll walk through the official account settings so you can update your password with confidence and keep your account secure. Before you start, make sure you have a stable internet connection and access to the email or phone number linked to your account, since you'll need a verification code. Begin by opening your web browser and going to the official Hoyoverse account page for Honkai Star Rail. Double check that you're on the legitimate Hoyoverse site before signing in. Log in with your account as you normally would. If you're on a shared or public device, plan to sign out when you're finished. Once you're in, click your profile avatar in the top right corner to open your account options. From there, select Hoyoverse account to enter the account center. Next, click Manage to access the settings you can update. Inside the account settings, choose Password and Security. This is where password updates happen. Click Update to start the process. You'll be prompted to verify your identity, which is an important step to protect your account. Click Send to receive a verification code at your bound contact method. Complete the CAPTCHA challenge to confirm you're a real person, then click OK. Now check your messages for the verification code. These codes are time limited, so grab it promptly and never share it with anyone. Enter the verification code in the field provided, then click Next to move on. You'll now set your new password. Choose something strong and unique, ideally a long passphrase or a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols that you don't use anywhere else. Avoid personal details like birthdays or character names and consider using a reputable password manager to generate and store it securely. Type your new password, then enter it again exactly the same to confirm there are no typos. When you're ready, click Confirm to save your changes. You should see a confirmation that your password has been updated. If you're asked to sign in again, that's normal. Update your saved password in your password manager and on any devices where you play to avoid sign-in issues. A few final tips to keep your account safe. Keep your recovery email and phone number up to date. Never share verification codes or screenshots of your account settings, and avoid logging in on unfamiliar devices. For added protection, consider enabling two-factor authentication from the same password and security area after you finish this change. That's it, your Honkai Star Rail account password is now updated safely.